The fitting can be installed relatively easy by starting it off by screwing it in. Then use an Allen wrench to rotate it, to screw it down. Once you get it snug and set in place, to install the tubing, just insert it into the cap. And also, advantage to this fitting is you can rotate it left or right to achieve the angle you want the tubing to come out from the cylinder from. To adjust the flow control, you would need to release the cap by pulling it up, turning it clockwise to decrease the speed, turn it counterclockwise to increase the speed. You can also, in tight spaces where you might not be able to get your hand into, you can use a screwdriver and insert it to rotate it left or right also. When the appropriate speed is reached and you're happy with that, click it in and lock it in place. Another advantage to the speed controller is it's designed to be compact. Compared to the standard speed controller, it's almost half the height difference. So it allows you to put this in tighter spots, the cylinder.